Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Wallpaper Engine is installed and updated on Steam. Once done, grant any system permissions it asks for so the app can control backgrounds. Next, open Wallpaper Engine and go straight to Settings, then General. Make sure Allow Lock Screen features or similar options are visible. You're not configuring the wallpaper yet. This prepares Windows and Wallpaper Engine to apply animated content to the lock screen. This avoids permission blocks later and sets a smooth path forward. Now you pick or import the wallpaper you want and open its properties. You'll enable lock screen support for that item and choose performance settings, lower quality if you want battery savings, higher if plugged in. Make sure playback is set to run when locked and decide whether audio should mute on the lock screen. If the wallpaper is interactive, disable interactions while locked to prevent unintended input. Once those switches are set, save changes so Wallpaper Engine applies them to the Windows lock environment. Finish by applying the wallpaper and locking your PC with Win+L to verify it appears. If it does not show, relaunch Wallpaper Engine as administrator and reapply the lock screen option. This often fixes permission issues. Make sure Windows settings or group policies aren't preventing custom lock screens and that Focus Assist or privacy options aren't hiding dynamic content. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, temporarily disable other lock screen apps and check that your Windows edition supports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.